this is the product that actually, I would say, bridges, and no pun intended, it bridges the gap between the conceptual arena, right, and when you decide that you need a bridge, and then how you finally design it and deal with all the information related to it. Not only the bridge geometry, that is important, of course, but how it's going to interact with the roadway, where the bridge is going to be settled. I mean, how is the terrain that is going to be? It's crossing a river. It's part of an interchange. You know, it's conflicting maybe with drainage structures. So all of that, Open Bridge Modeler in 3D will allow you to do that efficiently. Going through the next phase, that will be the final design, the actual structural calculations. The big advantage of that is that it allows you to, from the get-go, decide, do I need a pre-stressed girder bridge? Maybe I should switch to a steel girder, or maybe a segmental is more economical. Not only that, but only maybe it's aesthetically better. So we can decide all of that from the very beginning. Not only that, but we can only check, oh, if I use an ASHTO 4 beam instead of a 5 or a 6, it's going to work structurally? What about the vertical clearance? I'm accomplishing this, and not only on the terms of vertical clearance regarding the roadway below, but all the other extra calculations that as bridge engineers we used to do by hand. And Open Bridge Modeler solves all of that. It reacts to change on alignment, change on profile. We can start a project with preliminary survey, for example. So I can say, my foundation is 2 feet below the ground here, 3 feet below the ground here. And the new surveyor comes with updated information, the terrain gets reloaded again, and what happened with the bridge? He knows that it's 2 feet on that ground, 3 feet below that ground, and all the foundations get adjusted. The contractor can use that to construction sequencing, maintenance of traffic. How is going to construct that bridge? Is it possible? So that is the big advantage. When the construction is done, right, what happened with the model? Oh, it's archived. No, because that model is sent now for the inspection, the maintenance process. You know? And we're talking here a bridge or a structure that is going to be 25 years, 30 years on the life cycle. And that is actually the costly part. How do I maintain it? Does it need rehabilitation? So instead of looking for old plans and see how it was built or what kind of steel is inside, I just go to the model, the information is there. I think that's the goal that we need to achieve, that everybody talking to each other and having this information when we really need it, not when we need to find it in a cabinet, for example, and we don't know where it is. So that's, I think, the big advantage of having software like Bentley software that allows you to combine all this information. And on my side, you know, being selfish for bridge, Open Bridge Model is the one helping the infrastructure to get into that.